everybody, it's Callie and I'm back with another layout, and I'm going to scrapbook this picture from a Christmas show that my stepson, his wife, and my oldest grandson were at together. So I'm kind of looking for something red to pop that photo since it is from the Christmas season. So I grabbed that paper, that 6x6 pad from Pebbles Cozy and Bright. That's the paper I'm going to use, and I just cut it into a border. And I'm kind of trying to decide whether I want to use that green background behind the foil paper or in front of it. But first I'm going to use this blue cardstock that's from Basil. I don't know what the color actually is, but I know it's Basil. I needed something bright blue to match the blue in those ornaments to really pop it. Plus my grandson is wearing like a gray shirt that's reading very blue, so I wanted to really emphasize them as a family. So I think by using the blue cardstock that really helps. So I then decided that I was going to put the green underneath, so I trimmed that up a little bit, that square. Now I'm looking for some sort of journaling spot or some sort of 3x4 card. So I am going to grab this sheet of foil 3x4 cut aparts, and that is from the Craftsmith silver foil paper pad from Michaels. That is also where the striped paper comes from, and that's from 2014. So I'm very glad to actually be getting it onto a layout because I have this whole beautiful pad that I've barely used anything from. All right, so then instead of the happy, which I did like, I grabbed the best day ever card. I just liked, I don't know, I just liked it better. I don't know that there's a particular reason. I do like how the kind of oval wreath there looks sort of like a wreath. You get that kind of idea. All right, so then I'm going to take that green polka dot paper, which is from Bella Boulevard Spooktacular. It's the Pumpkin Day paper. So I'm using a Halloween paper on a Christmas layout, and put that behind. And then I'm going to use this tinsel bow. So yay me, that was the last one from the Chamel Christmas Magic tinsel bows from 2015. So that is nice that that's on a layout. And then I'm going to take these silver glitter snowflakes, and those came from Walmart from Christmas a few years back. It was in, like, I don't know, just kind of their home decor area, and I just grabbed them. They're not truly a scrapbooking supply, but obviously you can use them to scrapbook. And then I'm also thinking about using some washi tape from that Elle Studio 'Tis the Season washi sticker book. So first I'm going to get some of the things down that I know. Decided on how big I wanted that square to be of the green, and I'm using that lighter, more springy green because there is sort of a mix of green colors in the tree, and I thought again it did a really nice job of bringing your eye to the photo and not getting lost in all the stuff. So I'm thinking about what to use here. That's the die cut pack from the Pebbles Cozy and Bright collection. And so I'm kind of looking, there's two different die cut packs with that, so I'm kind of looking to see what I might be able to use. I'm thinking about trying to anchor those snowflakes, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do with that yet. So I find an ornament, and I'm looking for more ornaments, but I'm pretty sure that I've used them all on another layout already. So instead I find this peppermint, and that came from the printed cardstock shapes. So then I decide, okay, I kind of know what I'm going to do with that. I want to use this washi because I had the idea to use it, and I have so much of it left. I don't use it all that often. So I like washi tape. I have a hard time using the strips from like books and that kind of stuff. So since I knew where I might like it, I thought that I should put it there. And then I was looking for the sticker pack from the Pebbles Cozy and Bright. That's what's on the left. It's the accent stickers from that collection. Then I'm also thinking I need some place to journal. So I'm going through my Elle Studio cut aparts here and trying to decide if I'll use any of those. And I find this one that says Merry and Bright, and I kind of like that. So it gives me just a little bit of journaling space there. I honestly probably could have used a little bit more because I could have told even more about this story, because this is a holiday tradition for my stepson and his wife. They've been doing it since they were dating, and this is the first year that any of the kids have joined them. So this year my grandson joined them, which is pretty, or this past year was the first year that he has joined them. So I thought that was pretty cool. All right, so now I'm just going to get down. Now those snowflakes are really hard to glue on, so I'm putting a whole bunch of ATG behind them. They're glitter, so wet glue doesn't seem to hold them very well, so I'm popping the ATG behind in the hopes that that's going to hold them. So now I have kind of the basics down for my clusters, and I haven't glued down that whole middle piece with the photograph and all the paper and that kind of stuff, because I wanted to make sure that I had the spacing proper for the alpha. So I grabbed this alpha from American Crafts. It's the Cherish Thickers in navy. So now I'm just kind of judging, okay, does that work size-wise? And it does. All right, so I got a little ATG up at the top there, but that'll be fine. It will probably be covered by the title. And I'm thinking I want to call that title Big Boy, because obviously it's his first time, so he's older, or Big Guy. I was thinking Big Boy, but I didn't have another B. So Big Guy. And that fits there just great. So I'm putting that down. I did have to MacGyver an I out of an L. And as I looked at that, I decided I really wanted my title to take up more room across the top of that. So I'm thinking about calling it Such a Big Guy now, and I don't have enough room. I'm just using my thickers package there. So I kind of put it at the end because I would still be able to get the spacing. I'm MacGyvering the 8 into an S here. And I think between that and the I, those are the only two that I really actually had to MacGyver. Okay, and like I said, even though my title wasn't in the proper order, I still knew where to start it because I just kept going with it kind of backwards. That just gave me enough spacing because it's going to be a little tight to the top there. It takes up basically the whole space up there. And then I decided to add an exclamation point there. I'd wanted to originally, I didn't think there was going to be enough room, but there was, so I decided to do that. So now that that's on, I'm kind of toying with adding some more peppermints in because I have one, and I think it would be nice if I had one in each of the clusters. So that came from the Cozy and, they came from the Cozy and Bright accent stickers. So I like the way they look. And I just kind of used like two more medium-sized ones in there. All right, now I want, excuse me, want to get some more blue in here. And so I'm looking for a pack of enamel dots that I know is out there that has the right blue. But it's going to take me a little bit to find them because I have a lot of enamel dots. And there's the pack. That is the Doodlebug Sprinkles in Blue Jean. And while I'm adding these in, guys, make sure you take a peek at the still shots at the end because I forgot to add 2 word stickers in that I wanted to use, or a word sticker. I saw a word sticker that said Bah Humbug. And it's from the L Studio 'Tis the Season phrase stickers. And I wanted to make sure to get that on this because it's about him going to first A Christmas Carol performance. So I popped that into that cluster right there where my hands are right now, and then I add another one in the bottom cluster that says Always a Favorite, because it is always a favorite performance for them. So there's the still shot, guys, and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.